Electricity can be generated in many ways, and today I want to show you another way using clean energy from nature. That's my new idea to build a thermal power plant that only works using strong rays and sunlight. First, let's take a look at the layout design of this power plant that I did. This scene will give you a better understanding of how this interesting power plant works. In this thermal power plant, I use a convex lens with a large radius to create very high heat to produce steam. In other words, in this invention, by concentrating the sun rays on copper pipe located in the scene, the water is converted into compressed steam, and by passing through the turbine, it causes the power rotation of the shaft and ultimately generates electricity throughout the day. It's clear the best time for this power plant to generate electricity is during the period of optimal sunlight between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. I used a very thick convex lens to refract the sunlight into a convergent focal point to increase the heat intensity on the water pipes to over 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat intensity is enough to bring the water in the pipe to the boiling point and then to steam in less than a minute. This compressed steam easily rotates the turbine blades and generates electricity by transmitting torque to generator shaft. Since copper is an excellent conductor of heat transmission and diffusion, I used this metal in design of the alloy of the spiral tubes that are located in the heatsink. The copper alloy quickly receives a lot of heat from the concentrated sunlight, and the water inside it reaches the boiling point in the shortest possible time. In the thermal power plant, water first flows from the main storage tank, which is located at the highest elevation of the other tank, into the hot water tank. The internal temperature of the hot water tank is very high due to the entry of hot condensed water from the steam boiler, and this increase in temperature helps the water to reach the boiling point and turn into steam faster after exiting the hot water tank and entering the pipes connected to the heatsink coil. To have more speed and pressure, water is pumped by a pump and after pressurizing, enters the heatsink pipes. A vertical synchronous generator is mounted below the steam turbine to transmit torque without energy loss. The turbine shaft is directly connected to the generator rotor to generate electricity by rotating the rotor. This power plant is capable of generating very high voltage electricity during the day, but for use at night, the electricity generated during the day can be stored in new generation batteries, which are specifically for use in the power plant. My name is Pourahmad. Please respect the copyright of my idea, and you can contact me if you're interested in purchasing the copyright of this invention. Thank you for watching.